TypeScript Special Types. TypeScript has special types that may not refer to any specific type of data. Type. Any. Any is a type that disables type checking and effectively allows all types to be used. Any can be a useful way to get past errors since it disables type checking, but TypeScript will not be able to provide type safety, and tools which rely on type data, such as autocompletion, will not work. Remember, it should be avoided at any cost. Type. Unknown. Unknown is a similar, but safer alternative to any. Compare the example above to the previous example, with any. Unknown is best used when you don't know the type of data being typed. To add a type later, you'll need to cast it. Casting is when we use the as keyword to say property or variable is of the casted type. Type. Never. Never effectively throws an error whenever it is defined. Never is rarely used, especially by itself. Its primary use is in advanced generics. Type. Undefined and null. Undefined and null are types that refer to the JavaScript primitives undefined and null respectively. These types don't have much use unless strict null checks is enabled in the tsconfig JSON file. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.